Alright, we have the Xiaomi Body Composition Smart Scale S400 here. We have a very simple white box package here, with all the regulatory information in the bottom side of the box. At the back, we have the specifications of the Smart Scale, written in both Chinese and English language. The Smart Scale measures 300 millimeters of length and width, with 24.55 millimeters thickness, and it weighs 1.45 kilograms. I got this for 969 Philippine pesos from Shopee. The inner package is really nice and secure. This smart scale can measure pounds or kilograms depending on your settings, and measurement division can go as low as 0.1 kilogram, which means it can measure things as light as 0.1 kilogram and a maximum of 150 kilograms. We have a very thick user manual here, which I assume is because it is written in different languages. Some other paperwork's here. We have the smart scale itself here, which is made up of reinforced glass at the top, and the body is made up of engineered plastic. The operating temperature of this scale is between 0 to 40 degrees Celsius. Here we go. It looks really elegant and nice because of the combination of the white color and the reinforced glass. And we have the white LED reading here at the top, which is bright enough to see even outdoors. We have the 4-circle metal electrodes here, where our feet will get into contact when weighing and getting our body composition index. At the center is a subtle Xiaomi logo. And the LED display also shows a Bluetooth indicator, as this device has a Bluetooth Low Energy 5.0 inside it. At the back, we have some small prints of the device information, along with 4 rubber feet, which are also circle, keeping the theme intact. And to power the Smart Scale S400, we will need 3 AAA batteries. The S400 is compatible to Android 8 and above, as well as to iOS 12 and above. Let me now show you how to initially set up this S400 Smart Scale along its companion application. Okay, as briefly explored already, the first thing to do is to power up the S400. We will just need to slide down the battery compartment cover. We will then need a 3 fresh set of AAA batteries. Just follow the embossed images in the battery compartment to know which direction the battery should be placed. When done, just slide the battery compartment cover back to close it. And turning over the scale, you will see that the LED screen is now turned on and the S400 is initializing. Now shifting to your mobile phone, we will need to install the Mi Home application. From the manual, you can scan the QR code to go to the application in the Play Store or App Store, or you can just search for it and install. Let's open the app. We of course need to agree on the user agreement. Then select your region, and then create or use an existing Xiaomi account to sign in. We of course should also provide all permissions. Okay, we're inside the app now. Before proceeding, make sure that the Smart Scale S400 is currently turned on and the Bluetooth of your phone is enabled as well. Then while at the Home tab, at the top right corner, let's tap the plus icon, and then add device. The app should now automatically detect all the nearby Xiaomi devices, like the Xiaomi Body Composition Scale 2400 here. Let's tap that. The app will automatically connect with the scale now. Now let's select or create a room where the scale is located in your house. In my case, I'll say the living room. Then tap Next. And we can also share this new device to other Xiaomi users if you want. You can set the permission for that member that you want to invite, and then send a QR code that they can scan to connect with the same Xiaomi household group. But I'll not do that for now. We again have a user agreement here for the Smart Scale itself. Now we will need to enter our personal information, which will be used by the Smart Scale to gauge the recommended health and fitness measurements for you. This includes the name, gender, birthday, height, and weight. Then we'll have some reminders and guide on how to use the Smart Scale S400, like you should be barefoot and your feet should be clean and dry when using the scale. The scale should be placed in a flat floor, and that your feet should be in contact with the metal electrodes. Let's now tap the Use Now button, and we're ready to go. All right, using the S400 is really easy. Just place it in a solid flat surface. Then just stand on it, but make sure that your feet cover the 4 metal electrodes plates, as this contact point measures the body composition and the heartbeat. First, it will measure your weight, then your body composition, but displaying only your body fat percentage. And lastly, it will measure your heartbeat and display it as well. If you want to record the readings real time before using the scale, open the Mi Home app and then tap on the S400 device from the app. When the app is ready, you can start weighing yourself, and all the records will automatically be captured by the app in real time. As you can see here, The app screen automatically updates based on what is being recorded by the smart scale. Let's explore those readings saved in the app deeper. Upon tapping the S400 device in the app, you will be presented with the latest recorded reading that includes the weight, BMI, body fat percentage, and muscle mass. To view the details of that reading, you will need to tap the View Report button. From here, we will get more detailed information about the body composition readings, like the analysis explanation for the body score points, or why are you considered overweight, and also giving you the range for each weight category. The body fat percentage also has the same details of range for under, over, standard, and high. And we also have a summary of the body composition readings here. Further below, we can tap each block here to see each of the details for muscle mass, muscle percentage, body water, protein percentage, bone mineral percentage, skeletal muscle mass, visceral fat rating, basal metabolic rate, estimated waist-to-hip rate, body age, fat-free body weight, and heart rate. Then we have the body type, which sadly, I'm still in the obese block. And the last block below is about the ideal or target values for the weight control, fat control, and muscle control. Pretty much a very comprehensive weight and body composition data. Going back to the home page, we also have the history here, where you can view all of the previous readings saved to your phone. We can tap the All Records button to get to the list of all previous records, and you can tap them one by one to view the details of that specific selected record. Going back to the home page, we also have the unclaimed data here, which are the records that has been captured by the S400 device but was not saved to the phone yet. These are the weights taken when the S400 device is not connected to your phone. Maybe because the Bluetooth is off or something. You can still claim those records and save it to your phone. Below that, we have some simple tutorials for the measurement, weighing a baby, balance testing, and visitor measurement. And another section for the guide. And that's basically it for the app side. Now, I was very curious on how accurate the heart rate measurement is on the S400, since most of the time we get the heart rate measurement from the fingers or arms and never from the feet. So I did this simple test where I compared the reading of the S400 against an actual oximeter in my CMF Watch Pro 2. As you can see here, I have 69 from the watch. And let's wait for the reading of the S400. We have 61. And we also have 61 from the oximeter. Exact match. Since oximeter is the most accurate here, that means that the S400 is more accurate than my CMF Watch Pro 2, which is surprising for me. Alright, the Xiaomi Body Composition Smart Scale S400 is a comprehensive health tracking device designed to provide detailed insights into your physical condition. It features a sleek, minimalist design with tempered glass, making it both durable and visually appealing. It's also compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and use in any space. In addition to that, it provides a detailed analysis of 17 body composition indicators, helping you monitor various aspects of your health. With the help of the companion app, Mi Home, the scale can store information from multiple family members, making it suitable for tracking the health of the whole family. It is really simple to use and syncs seamlessly with the Mi Home app, allowing you to view detailed health reports on your phone, which might be hard to tell, but I think it provides precise measurements of various health metrics and comprehensive analysis for each of those measurements. If I can think of something that can be improved here, I can only think of two things, and these are on a nitpicking level already. First, maybe they can add a functionality to make the scale run through outlet electricity power. Right now, it uses 3 AAA batteries, which might need frequent replacement. Although I've been using this scale for almost 3 months already, and I have never changed the batteries yet. Second nitpick is the display on the scale itself. I know it conforms with the minimalist design, but it only shows the very basic information, and it would be nice to see a more detailed data available on the scale screen. The Xiaomi Body Composition Smart Scale S400 is a powerful tool for anyone looking to monitor their health and fitness. Its comprehensive health indicators, sturdy build, and user-friendly design makes it a top choice for home health tracking. If you enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up. If it has helped you in any way, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Nilasij for watching. No Bear.